Shilpa and Anil, good evening, both of you. Can hear me?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Mm. So yesterday we were discussing about partners of Salesforce and editions of Salesforce, right? And now I'm going to discuss today what is this environments of Salesforce. There are two types of environments in Salesforce. That is sandbox environment and the production environment. So how many environments here? Two types. Sandbox environment and production environment, okay? Understand, Shilpa and Anil?
Yes.
Yeah,
So what is sandbox environment? Sandbox environment means it is developers environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client's requirement. I can say it is purely transactional. So we have four types of sandboxes. One is developer sandbox, developers pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, and full copy sandbox. We have four types of sandboxes. Developer sandbox, developer pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Okay, above first three sandboxes we'll discuss later. First, let me discuss about the full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox? Full copy sandbox means it is the replica. Replica means what? Duplicate copy of the original application. Tell me guys, what full copy sandbox contains? It contains what? Replica of original application. It is a replica of what? Original application. Why we need to place the replica of original application full copy sandbox? because it is used for, testing purpose. It is used for testing purpose. Actually, you people know about SDLC. You know what is SDLC stands for? Software Development Lifecycle, right? Software Development Lifecycle. It contains four stages. First one, design. Development. Testing. And deployment. Testing means it is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customers or clients' requirement or not. It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customers or clients' requirement or not. Okay. Once testing is completed, then we need to go for deployment. What is deployment here? Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. Moving the application from sandbox to production is called what? Come on, deployment. Moving the application from sandbox to production can be called as deployment. Understand? Anil, Shilpa, both of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, production environment. What is the meaning of production? Production environment means it is client's environment where client and client's employees are sitting and use the application. Okay, I can say it is purely SaaS or AAS environment. Okay, where the end users are sitting and use the application. That is called what? Production environment. So production environment means it's a client's environment where client and client's employees are sitting and use the application. I can say it is purely SaaS environment. SaaS means what? Software as a service or application as a service. Here, where end users are sitting and use the application. But here, one simple question I'm asking. Tell me, is client and client employees knows how to use the application? Tell me, Is client and client's employees knows how to use the application?
No.
They don't know because they are not technical persons, is or no? They are just employees in the company. They don't know how to use the application. That is why if the user wants to use the application, if the user wants to use the application, okay, that user should have the account, yes or no? To access the application. Am I correct or not? Without having the account, having the account means having some username and password. Without having the username and password, how can we access the application? Suppose I want to access the Gmail application. Without having the username and password, can I access the Gmail application? Come
No.
on, not possible, right? Like that, if you want to access any application, you should have what? Some username and password. Yes or no? Come on, speak out. So who will create the user accounts? Who will create the user accounts?
Administrator.
Speak
Admin.
up. Administrator. So who will create the user accounts? Means creating usernames and passwords. Who will do this, all these things? Who will grant the privileges to the users? Who will revoke back the privileges from the users? So who will monitor the application? How the application is running or not? Okay, everything is monitored by a separate person who is always standing at the client's place. That person, we can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call him as system administrator. Understand everyone in the class? Super user or system administrator. Okay. So system administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client's place. And the job of system administrator is, he is going to monitor the application, how it is working. And he is the person creating the user accounts, granting the privileges, revoke back the privileges, performing data management operations. So many things, okay, so many responsibilities are handled by system administrator, who is always sitting at the client's place. Okay. System administrator job is also one of the job in Salesforce. Actually, in fact, Salesforce contains 5 types of job profiles. Okay. One is system administrator job, developer job. Okay, Salesforce architect. Salesforce business analyst. Salesforce architect, business analyst, developer, admin, Salesforce business analyst, architect. One more job is there. Architect, business analyst, architect, business analyst. Next one. 1 minute. Let me recall.
Maybe a release engineer.
I'm sorry.
A release engineer.
What is that?
No, sir. I just said that maybe a release engineer because after. No, no. Go ahead.
Sir, consultant.
Salesforce consultant job. Yes. Salesforce consultant. Exactly. Correct. Salesforce consultant job. So these are the 5 different types of job profiles: system admin, developer, architect, business analyst, and consultant. But after completion of this particular course, okay, you will be able to apply either system administrator job or developer job. But you cannot go for architect, business analyst, and consultant at this particular point of time. Understand, everyone? Okay, once you get experience, near about 5 to 7 years experience as a developer or admin, then you can move into what? Either architect or business analyst or consultant. Okay. But after completion of this particular 3 months course, okay, you will be able to apply. You will be able to apply either system administrator job or developer job. But if you want to go for system administrator job, you do not require any programming knowledge. Understand, all of you? You do not require any, come on, programming skills not required. Yes or no? But if you want to go for developer side, okay, you should require what? Programming skills. Coding skills is required. Coding is important. Okay. For system administrator, programming skills not required. Because system administrator job completely just a drag and drop point and click, completely based on GUI only. Graphical user interface. Drag and drop, point and click. You don't need to write any coding. Okay, fine. So developer job is completely based on coding side. But comparatively, salary as I'm talking, Srikanth, Shilpa, and Anil, salary point of view, developer getting more salary than system administrator. At least I can say minimum of 20 to 25% salary variation is there between system administrator and developer. Understand, Srikanth?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. But after completion of this course, you will be able to apply either a system administrator job or developer job. Okay. But these are advanced level. Okay. Experienced people only can apply. Architect, business analyst, and consultant. Okay. So in case if you got a job as a system administrator, what is your roles and responsibilities? So what are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? What are the roles and what? What are the roles and responsibilities of system admin? He is a person, create the user accounts. Creating user accounts means creating usernames and passwords. Second one, he is a person create the roles. He is a person create the profiles. Profile means some collection of privileges. We have 2 types of profiles here. One is system defined profiles. Or I can say standard profiles. Second one, custom profiles. Standard profiles means which is given by Salesforce. Custom profile means which is created by whom here? Developer or administrator I can say. Next one. Fourth one. Grant means what? Giving. Grant the privileges. To the users. Revoke the privileges from the users. Sixth one. Performing data management operations. Performing data management operations. Data management operations means import and export operations. What is the meaning of import? Moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to external systems. Using some tools like data import wizard and data loader. Data import wizard and data loader, both are the tools which is given by Salesforce. Using these two tools, we can perform import and export operations. So this comes under what? Data management operations. Seventh one, data analysis. And approvals. Data analysis and approvals. Not data analysis, data automations and approvals, sorry. So what is the meaning of automation? Tell me. Any one of you. What is the meaning of automation?
Removing manual process from the system.
Automation means automatically perform the operations, okay, without user interaction or what is this? Intervention. Automatically performs the operations using, so without user interactions or intervention. Okay, so that it reduces the human effort and saves the, come on, time. Yes, sir? Correct or not? Suppose take the example. I have the account in HDFC Bank. I want some money. I want to withdraw some money. So I went to bank and I'm trying to withdraw some amount. I went to ATM counter. I withdraw some amount, maybe 10,000. Tell me, after withdraw some amount from the ATM counter, will I receive the SMS or not?
Yes.
Come on. I will receive SMS on my mobile, right? Speak out. Tell me who will send the SMS to my mobile? Is there any specific person in the bank is going to send the SMS?
No, it's an automated message.
Yeah, automatically generate the SMS. Yes or no? Okay, like that. You know about OTPs, one-time password. Who will generate the OTP? Who will send the OTP? That is also automatically generated. So according to these two examples, what you understand is without user interaction or without user intervention, some operations automatically performs in real time. That kind of operations can be called as what? Automations. Understand all of you. Suppose if any festival will come, suppose if you go to any shopping mall, any lifestyle or shopper stop, whatever it is, yes or no? If you bought any shirt or pant and you have to pay the bill at the bill counter. The moment you pay the bill at the bill counter, the person who is standing in front of the billing counter, he will ask your phone number. Yes or no? Why they taken your phone number? Come on, guys. Why they taken your phone number? Because in case in future, if any festival will come, okay, they are offering some discounts on the so and so brands. Yes or no? Get one, buy one, get one free. Buy two, get four free like this. Yes or no? 50% discount, 20% discount like this. So sometimes they will send, okay, SMS to your mobiles from Lifestyle, from Shopee Stop, okay, from Myntra, okay, some any websites. Tell me, who will generate this SMS to your mobiles? Any specific person is going to send the SMS to your mobile manually?
No.
Obviously not. Practically, it is not possible because crores of customers are there. Practically, it is not possible. So that kind of operations can be called as what? Automations. Am I clear? Suppose
Yes.
take the example of DURGASOFT. Okay, DURGASOFT is going to start the new Salesforce batch maybe next week. Okay, they want to send the SMS. They want to convey this information. The new batch is going to start on next week, on first of next month. Okay, they want to send this SMS to all old students. How many old students are there? Lakhs of students are there. Yes or no? How they
Yes.
inform? Through SMS. Is any specific person, DURGASOFT, sending SMS manually to their old students? Practically, it is not possible, right? So there is a software, it automatically sends the SMS at a time to lakhs of students. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Hundreds of students. So this kind of operations can be called as what? Data automations and approvals. Am I clear? All these examples?
Yes.
Anil, Shilpa,
Yes.
Sir, I have a question on the environments part, sir. When you
go
said
ahead.
that there are two apartments, one is sandbox environment, the other one is production environment, right? So
Yes.
the development QA, UAT for the DSIT, everything, integration testing, everything, all those environments are, it stands as sandbox.
Sandbox only.
Okay, sandbox.
Production environment purely related to client's environment.
Right, sir. There was a full copy. Okay, all the when we call it a sandbox, that means okay, got it. Thank you.
Next one. If you want to perform data automation approvals, Salesforce given some tools like workflows, process builder, flow builder, and what is this? Approval process. So using these tools, we can perform, okay, data automations and approvals. Workflows, process builder, flow builder, and approval process. Among these, flow builder is very important, guys. Flow builder is very important. Okay. Good. Next one. Coming to the eighth one. After data analysis and approvals, the eighth one can be called as data. After data automations and approvals, the next topic is data analysis. Data analysis, that is, reports, and we have something called what? Dashboards. It is related to business intelligence. The ninth one, okay.
So
Most-
reports are also created by administrator only, sir.
What, Srikanth?
So reports are also created by the administrator himself.
Administrator only.
Oh, okay. And do they use any specific tool for this one, sir? Tableau or Power BI?
Yeah, they're adding some Tableau tool is there.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, Tableau company is adopted by Salesforce company around 4 years back before COVID.
Oh, okay.
So we have 4 types of reports actually here, in fact, tabular report, summary report, matrix report, and joint report. Okay. Next, ninth one, data security. Guys, this is the most crucial job and most important job of system administrator. What is it? Data security. Okay. Security is most important. So system administrator provided the security in different levels. Like, organization level security. Under organization level security, we have application level security. Under application level security, we have tab level security. Under tab level security, we have object level security. Under object level security, we have field level security. Under field level security, we have record level security. Under record level security, we have something called OWD. OWD stands for organization wide defaults. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. And what is the next one here? Manual sharing. So all these comes under what here? Record level security. Okay. Record level security, field level security, object level, tab level, application level, and organization. So total how many? 6 levels of securities. Organization level security, application level security, tab level security, object level security, and record level security. And record level security, again, we have 4. Organization wide defaults, rule hierarchies, sharing rules, and manual sharing. So these are the 9 different responsibilities of a system administrator. Understand, Shilpa, Anil, Srikanth?
Yes.
Let me recap all the points. System administrator job is first he has to create the user accounts. Then after, you need to create the roles for the users, and also you need to create the profiles, grant the privileges to the users, revoke means taking back the privileges from the users, data management operations, that is import and export. Okay, import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce, and export means moving the data from Salesforce to external systems, using some tools like data import wizard and data loader, and data automations like approvals. Automation means automatically performs operations without user interaction or intervention, so that it reduces the human effort and saves the time. Okay. And what is the next one here? Workflows process. Using some tools, we can perform these operations. Workflows, process builder, flow builder, and the flow process. Data analysis, that is reports and dashboards. Okay, data security, org level security, app level security, tab level, object level, field level, record level. On record level, we have 4. Okay. Am I clear? All the responsibilities of system administrator. Hello?
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
sir, do we use any tools for this data security, sir?
Huh? We
For
are
the
not
data.
using it. We are not
Or
using
how?
it.
Okay.
Just drag and drop, and there are some options are there. Using that, we can provide the security. There is no separate tool for security needs.
Okay, sir. And for the data movement, when you say that import and export, do we have to create any APIs, sir, or how does it work here?
Not required. Not required. Data import wizard and data loaders tool is there. Using that, we can perform automatically.
Okay.
And that is all about the today's session. Monday class tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no session. Monday class, next class on Monday. Next class, I will discuss about MVC architecture. Does anyone know what is MVC stands for? Come on. Does anyone knows MVC stands for?
Model view controllers.
Model view controller. So regarding this model view controller, I will discuss on Monday class. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to start today. Why? Because once it started MVC architecture, it takes at least minimum half an hour time. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's all about the today's class. Monday is the last class for the demo sessions, guys. Monday is the last class for the demo sessions. Before Monday, you please complete your registration process. Demo sessions are completed from Monday. Tuesday onwards, I'm going to start the first module. So what is the first module? That is configuration. That I will start from Tuesday onwards. In the meanwhile, we have 4 days sample time is there. Please complete your registration process. Then only I can share this running notes and recordings and materials. Point clear?
Sure, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Happy weekend, all of you. Enjoy yourself. Come on Monday.
Sir, one last question, sir. So when administration, how many days will that administrator
3
course will
months.
be?
3 months.
No, sir, not the total course. For the administration part, how many days would it take to complete the administrations for you?
Admin and configuration, because before we enter into admin, you should have the knowledge and configuration also. Configuration hardly takes 10 days time, and administration hardly takes 15 days, 15 to 20 days. Approximately both 30 days.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay. That's it, guys. That's all about the today's session. I'll catch you on Monday. No class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, Shilpa, Anil, and Srikanth.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.